two friends. One of them had two beautiful gardens, filled with grapes, date palms, and flowing rivers. He had everything. He became wealthy, and his success went to his head. He began to say, "My wealth is greater than yours, and I have more children and followers. I do not think this garden will ever perish, and even if the day of judgment comes, I do not think anything bad will happen to me." His friend replied, "Do you deny the one who created you from dust and then from a drop of fluid? As for me, Allah is my Lord. Allah is able to give me a garden better than yours." So what happened in the end? Allah sent a punishment upon the garden, and everything was destroyed. That wealthy man began wringing his hands in regret, saying, "Alas, if only I had not associated anyone with Allah." The lesson: the wealth of this world is temporary. If you do not say, "MashaAllah," blessings do not remain in your wealth.